There are several ways of expressing if in Gaelic. Ma is used in the present, past or future. Ma how díseal, tóki sin yorn. If you're ready, we'll get going. And in the future tense, a verb after ma takes the us ending. Ma chanas at the dat, ein si mi gucht. If they say anything, I'll tell you. But with a conditional verb, when talking about a hypothetical situation, we use not ma, but nan. Nan dèanadh tú sin, viget gemathangel. If you were to do that, they would be very grateful. Nan dèanadh tú sin, viget gemathangel. In Gaelic, both verbs of a conditional, hypothetical sentence need to be in the conditional tense. The verb after none and the verb in the main statement, whereas in English, the verb in the if clause is often in the past tense. If you did that, they would be grateful. But in Gaelic, nan dèanadh tú sin. Or, I'd be pleased if you came to dinner. Bhíonn tollaichte nan tíochadh tú go déanadh. Not ma hána acu, but nan tíochadh tú.